Hello, I'm in a 2013 Mazda CX-5 and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you'll make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then here make sure your display's on, which you can turn it on here. And then from here, if there's Bluetooth here, you can hit that, which would be under the audio, or you can do your setup. But there's audio, Bluetooth setup. And then here there's a list of previously connected phones, so you might need to delete one first before you can add a new one. So let's say we want to delete this. I selected that and we'll delete device. Yes. So now we've made more room. So let's say we want to add a new device. We can here. And then searching for device. So now from your device, you want to make sure Bluetooth is on. And that's that symbol. And usually if you push and hold it, it might pull up a pairing menu. So from here, pair new device, and then we'll just look for something that makes sense to pop up, which Mazda. We'll select that. It might take a few tries, might need to restart your car or phone a few times for this to work, but usually first try works. And it's got this random numbers, so we're going to confirm yes, that's it, and then on the car, yes, that's what we saw. So now it should be going through pairing. So we're pretty much there. You can sync up your messages, phone book if you want. So it's trying to download the call history, which I don't need to for this tutorial. But that said, once this is all the way connected, you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music. Some newer models, you might be able to do maps and things as well. Like if you got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay type things. But this one, at least, you should be able to take calls and have music. And yeah, in the audio, just in this Bluetooth. Once it's finished connecting the new phone from here, you should be able to play music from your phone or device. And here through here, and there's a volume here you can change as well. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.